Is owning a home still the American dream for the younger buyers? Everyone has their own idea of the American dream, and it's different for each person. But in a recent survey by Bankrate, people were asked about the achievements they believe represent the American dream the most. The answers show that owning a home still claims the #1 spot for many Americans, as you can see from this chart. In fact, according to the graph, owning a home is more important to people than retiring, having a successful career, or even getting a college degree. But is the dream of home ownership still alive for even the younger generations? A recent survey by 1000 Watt dives into how the two generations many people believed that would be the renter generations, that would be the Gen Z and the Millennials, feel about home ownership. Specifically, it asks if they want to buy a home in the future. The resounding answer is yes, as you can see here. While there are plenty of reasons why someone might prefer home ownership to renting, the same 1000 Watt survey shows that your place doesn't feel like home unless you own it. And maybe you feel the same way. That emotional draw is further emphasized when you look at the reasons why Gen Z and Millennials want to become homeowners. For all of the financial benefits homeownership provides, in most cases, it's about the lifestyle or the emotional benefits. And so what does this mean for you? If you're part of that Gen Z or a Millennial and you're ready, willing, and able to buy a home, you'll want a great real estate agent by your side. And of course, that's me. Our experience and expertise in the local housing market will help you overcome today's high mortgage rates, low inventory, and rising home prices to help you find your first home and turn that dream into a reality. Until next time.